How to teach emotional self-regulation to your kids. First of all, it starts with you. If you are not emotional self-regulated, your kids, your children are going to be mirroring the way you are in your expression, in the way you express yourself, in the way you react to different situations in your life. So it begins with you. It begins with, you cannot support your children to self-regulate if you're not supporting yourself first. That's the first step. So if your child is over emotional, first of all, it's good to center yourself, come back into regulating yourself in that moment, being quiet without reacting to their over emotional state. You can support your children by getting them to learn how to feel. What are they feeling? So when there's an emotion, often you'll see in their body, they touch their body or something's happening, and then you ask them, how are they feeling? What's that? And they say they feel this inside. So children have feelings, and so this will help them to self-regulate. What are they feeling? And of course, there's all different ages. So, but safety, making them feel safe, making them feel loved, and making them feel okay if they have a lot of emotions. They're so young, they're still learning how to regulate. So first start with you, self-regulation, and a lot will already transform for your children.